Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the mole, the chemist's dozen. By the end of this video you'll know what 1 mole means, how to convert between mass and moles, and why this single idea unlocks almost all chemistry calculations. A mole is an amount of substance containing 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 particles, atoms, molecules, ions, anything. 1 mole of any element has a mass in grams equal to its relative atomic mass. So 1 mole of any compound has a mass in grams equal to its MR. The formula: moles equal mass divided by MR. 3 things. 1. A mole is a number, like a dozen, not a mass. 2. Mass in grams equals relative atomic mass, or MR, for 1 mole. 3. The mole connects what we can measure in grams to what we calculate with, particles and ratios. Common slip: confusing moles with mass. They're different. 18 grams of water is 1 mole. 36 grams is 2 moles. The mole is the count. The mass depends on which substance you're counting. Quick example: 1 mole of water, 18 grams, contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules. 9 grams of water equals 9 divided by 18 equals 0.5 moles. Half the mass, half the moles, half the number of molecules. A simple ratio. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across physics, biology, chemistry and maths. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.